welcome to my channel with me Garima Bhandari, and you want to know how I did this easy knotted rope braided updo. It's super messy, super easy to do. So let's get straight into the video and see the step-by-step tutorial how to do this at home. Okay, so what we first require is to brush our hair well with any of the hair brushes that you use. So brush it out, smoothen it out. Great. So now I am going to apply some dry shampoo. This is one of my favorite. I picked it up from London when I last went there, and this is for my hair type because it is volume, so I really like it. I like to shake it before I apply. Even if your hair is just washed or is washed in the morning, it's always a better idea to apply a dry shampoo because it gives some good texture to your hair and also helps retain the hairstyle for long. It lends some volume. All in all, it's a magical product, guys. You know, dry shampoo, the thing with dry shampoo is that it instantly gives you the look of a freshly washed hair. Look at this. So much volume. Now that I have volume, so once again, and now I'm going to take a side parting with my back comb. So from the other end, I just take a neat side parting like this, part my hair, and here is the fun part. I'm going to section my hair. There is no neat section that you need to create. You just need to lift your hair from one side of your parting, and now I'm going to divide this section into two parts like so, and place the top section over the other section like this and cross it over. Now the lower section becomes the top section, and while I'm going to cross it over to the other section, I'm going to add some hair from my crown like this, if you can see, and once again twist it into a rope. I go the same way, add some more hair to the section and keep going, guys. It's so easy, guys, this hairstyle, and I love it. And now once you've reached almost the nape of your neck, then you're going to take the other side of the hair, bring them to the front and add them all to this lower section of your hair here. Take them all from behind neatly, and let's divide the hair into two here. Just divide it into two, and here we're going to start with a little tricky part, which is going to be twisting both the strands into an opposite direction. Sorry for all the messiness. Okay, so here we go. And now that I've reached the end of the so-called rope, I'm going to twist both of them into each other like this. Not so neat, but it's fine. Twist, twist, and twine. That's what I would like to call it. Okay, so I've almost reached the end of my braid. So here I'm going to just twist it all together and secure it with an elastic band. Now I'm going to twine this into a side bun like this and just secure it with the bobby pins. These are the bobby pins. So I take the bobby pin up and down. It's pretty simple, and I think I can really go for an evening birthday party or my friend's dinner with this hairstyle. But I have to loosen up Now be very careful when you see this step, because you have to take the strand one at a time to give your hairstyle some more depth, some more volume, some more unkept look. So keep going as how you like it. More looser. I like it really loose, so I like to go more liberally on pulling them out. That's my go-to hairstyle. If I have a bad hair day, I'm just gonna pull out more sections, pull out more hair strands, and kind of really leave it like this, and that's how it looks at the end of it. I also have to let it stay for some time, so I'm gonna use this Kevin Murphy Session Spray Strong Hold Finishing Spray. Shut your eyes. Now this is gonna hold your hairspray in place for a long time. And lastly, my favorite product, guys. This smells so good, and at the same time it adds so much sheen, luster to your hair. It's called the Kevin Murphy Shiny Blonde Repairing Treatment for your hair. I always step out with this shine spray on my hair. So once again, shutting my eyes, going all over my hair, and it smells so good. It's almost like a hair perfume, and yet adding so much sheen to your hair. I love this product, guys. That's my final look, guys. I hope you like it, and if you think this video was nice, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, guys. That's very important. I need your love, your support right now, and all you have to do is just click on that red icon, subscribe icon, and also leave your comments in the comment section below. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.